We are not nice in this room, we are kind. Our actions are rooted in strength, truth, honesty, and a hell of a lot of courage. We are strong alone, but we are better together. For the past 10 years, I've scoured the world seeking kindness, researching its benefits on our own personal esteem and well-being, but also the esteem of others around us as well. And throughout those experiences, I've been able to share my learnings with the world. When I was 8, I had one goal, one dream, one wish, and one ambition, and that was to play cricket for Australia. It honestly felt euphoric to have worked so hard for something when everyone told me it was next to impossible for it to come off. One of the best feelings I can remember as an adult. But little did I know that only 4 games into that career, my life would change in a very quick and sudden way. And I broke my back playing cricket of all things. Paralysed from the waist down, they said, Kath, not only does this dream just vanish in front of your eyes, but you're now a paraplegic, it's life in a wheelchair, you'll never ever take a step again. All sorts of head noise starts to creep in. Is this worth it? I'm in a lot of pain. There's a lot of drugs going through my system, clouding my thought process. Am I ever going to take those steps that they're saying might be the slightest of possibilities? Time changed for me that day. I completely lost myself and nothing mattered at all. But I knew that if I surrounded myself with good people, I could overcome anything. I'm afraid the news is not great. We're going to amputate your leg. And then I lost the person that taught me that there was so much more to life than hitting a ball around a goddamn park. Kind is rooted in action. It takes tremendous courage and again forms a large part of leadership. Kindness, how we bestow it on ourselves and the people around us as well, it is more important now than it's ever been before. It has the potential to change your life and the life of people that you haven't even met yet. Who are you grateful for? Science says if we write down 3 things that we're grateful for 21 days in a row, it will literally rewire our brains. Can you imagine that? Not once, but twice being told that you'll never walk again. Kath, trauma, grief and loss doesn't equal kindness. I disagree. Back then I didn't have the articulation or the words for it, but now I've got the science and the research to back it up. Without a doubt, I'm the happiest, healthiest and most content that I've ever been. Happiness, just like every other thing in life, is absolutely a choice that we get to make every single day. Because adversity is inevitable. We all face into it. We have to. We don't have to wait for adversity to strike to act. The most important step is to just simply get it done, just to start something. Those big ideas that we see that turn into something amazing, they just start by taking the first step.